Now, what if I were to tell you that you could take your home from a cozy, warm landscape lighting setup into a stunning Christmas light show with just a few taps in one app? Whether you want a traditional holiday display or something inspired by your favorite holiday movie, Govee Smart Lights make it possible and easy. Today I'll show you how to set up a near professional quality display that'll have your neighbors talking, all from the comfort of your phone. Hey there neighbors, I'm Ryan the Tech Guy and welcome back to This Smart House, your destination for the coolest smart home gear and automations. Today I'm excited to show you how I created this incredible light show using Govee's latest smart lighting products. While I'm not going to spend too much time diving into the details of how the lights work themselves, that's actually coming in another video, I will walk you through how you can set up your own display with just a few taps in the Govee Smart Home app. And with Govee's new AI features and a supportive community, it's never been easier to create a light show that's truly your own. So whether you're a holiday decorating pro or trying this for the first time, you'll see just how simple it is to create a display that will wow all of your neighbors. Now, big thanks goes out to Govee for sending me a literal pile of new outdoor lights and for sponsoring today's video. My house already had the permanent holiday outdoor lights, smart spotlights, landscape path lights, and the new Matter compatible wall lights. But this year they've added some amazing new products to the collection, including the Permanent Outdoor Lights Pro, Ground Lights 2, the new Net Lights, Christmas String Lights 2, and the new Curtain Light 2. Now, if you haven't seen these before, they're seriously impressive. Now, the standouts include the new Permanent Outdoor Lights Pro, with kits that support up to 200 feet of lights, dedicated warm and cool LEDs for a true alongside the RGB LED, IP67 and IP65 water and dust proofing, and the ability to cut and extend the lights using the included splices. Now, as you can see, I haven't had time to install these on the house, but they do look amazing. And also the Curtain Lights 2, which you see right behind me. These feature upgraded electronics for a smoother playback, enhanced patterns, and a super powerful AI bot, which we're going to explore a little bit later. And you can pick these up in 3 lengths, 4.9 feet, 9.8 feet, and 14.8. That's 1, 2, or 3 segments. Now that we know what we're working with, let's head back inside and I can show you how you can create your own light show using the Govee Home app. So the Govee Home app is where all the magic happens. It's incredibly user-friendly and gives you full control over your entire lighting setup. Today I'm not going to dive into every detail of each light, but instead I'll focus on the tools that you can use to create a unified light show. So I'll be demoing the effects both here on my indoor setup with my tree and my banister, and also on my outdoor lights. So the easiest way to get started is with Govee's DreamView function. This feature works with every Govee light, creating a unified display across multiple devices. So to begin, we go to the Home tab in the app and scroll down to the DreamView section. When we tap the plus button, we'll see 3 options. The first option is Movie Mode, which syncs with the TV box. The second option is our Music Sync, and third is Scenic. So for this demonstration, we're going to start with the Scenic, which is the simplest to use. So once you create a DreamView Scenic group, you can add any Govee device you want to it. So you select your lights, and now the fun begins. You'll have access to a wide variety of preset effects designed to work across the devices in your group. And the best part, DreamView is going to customize the effects to each of the light types, ensuring that the transitions and colors look seamless. Whether you're working with curtain lights, net lights, ground lights, or behind me the Christmas string lights. So if we go into the presets, we have options like romantic, anniversary, festival, natural. Now a lot of these don't seem to make sense, but like for example, festival is where you're going to find all of your holiday presets. And each time you select a new DreamView, it's going to create a sound or play some music that goes along with it. You can just hit pause and close out if you don't want that. So right now I've got selected Christmas Bee here behind me, and we can also see what that looks like outside. There's Family Day, which is kind of a Thanksgiving theme, which is appropriate because that just passed. We've got Valentine's Day, and a bunch of other Christmas themes. Now my favorites are on the natural category. So like this one is called Stream. We've got Glacier, which is a nice icy theme, especially for the winter time. But my absolute favorites are the universe ones, which are always a space theme and kind of a cool blue type of color scheme. You also have the option to have it synchronize the brightness between all the devices, or you can set them individually if you uncheck that box. Now of course, another favorite, but very impractical, is the matrix effect, which looks really cool indoors, but looks even better outside. So DreamView is a great starting point, and you can even mix in other effects if you want to by setting up a preset. But if you want to take things to the next level, let's look at Govee's powerful AI lighting bot. Now the AI bot's been integrated into most of the devices, where it can be quickly asked to create a preset based off whatever you type or speak. Sometimes you can even upload an image. Now I'll show you a couple of really cool features that really demonstrate the power of this bot. Now, pulling up the DreamView of the lights I have behind me, you'll notice there's a tab in here for AI. You can enter a prompt and have it automatically create an entire DreamView preset for you, down to what's displayed on the curtain and net lights. So if I hit AI, so I can type in a Kansas City Chiefs theme, and go ahead and tell it to apply it. Then it applies the preset to all the lights in the group. So indoors, this obviously is pretty neat, but outdoors it's even better. So for even more control, most devices have an AI bot tab where you can create a preset. Again, you're going to give it a prompt and the bot will create a light effect that fits that device. You can even save this as a DIY preset to use it later on. Now the really cool thing is when you use this on a curtain light too, you can ask it to create a preset and it'll even pull or generate an image automatically. So for example, if I wanted to create a preset for my large garage door with a Kansas City Chiefs theme, it'll automatically pull the logo and set it right in the middle. If I wanted to, I could go into combo, tick on background, and paint in some white flecks to make it look like snow. And then I can click the animate button downward and hit save. And now it's going to look like it has snow falling behind the Chiefs logo, which is pretty neat. This lets you take what the AI bot generates and customize it to your own liking. Now the AI Lightning Bot is one of the most powerful tools in the Govee Home app, allowing you to quickly generate stunning presets with just a typed or spoken prompt. It's integrated into most of the devices, making it easier than ever to create a personalized effect. Now for most of the newer devices, Govee has moved the Community or Explore section to a new tab called Share Space. This lets you view and search community creations for your specific devices. You can of course click and view a preview video of the effect, and if you like it, you can give it a thumbs up, add a comment, or press the star button to add it to your device DIY section. I would recommend that you jump into your DIY section and rename it so you can remember what it actually was that the effect does. Now another exciting feature is the music sync, which lets your lights react to the beat of your favorite song. Whether it's classic Christmas carols or an energetic party playlist, this feature transforms your light display into a vibrant, dynamic show. So if we go back to the DreamView section, we can create a music DreamView. Now there are only certain lights that actually have a microphone built in that can act as the master. So in this case, I'm going to do the banister lights behind me. In the app, the DreamView will take this to the next level by synchronizing all the lights to one cohesive experience. You can group multiple devices and select the music sync mode, ensuring that every part of your display dances in perfect rhythm. So you can choose from modes like calm, dynamic, or spectrum to match the mood of your playlist. You can also adjust the sensitivity of the microphone to make sure it doesn't respond too much or you're not getting enough motion. Now for even more immersive effects, Govee offers the Outdoor Light Show box. This little hardware device is designed to work seamlessly with up to 10 Govee devices. This compact device listens to your music and sends precise signals to your lights, creating a fully synchronized light show. With 22 dynamic music modes and 18 scene modes, it opens up the possibilities for customizing your display. Now the Light Show box is IP65 waterproof, making it perfect for outdoor use in any weather. It also has a built-in rechargeable battery, offering up to 12 hours of playtime on a single charge. This is set up similar to another music DreamView, except for you select the Light Show box and set up a device as the master. Now, a new feature that's recently rolled out with the Curtain 2s is the Scene Stage feature. This allows you to create a seamless and immersive light display. This feature will coordinate multiple Govee devices to work together, delivering transitions and effects that feel professional and polished. So you just have to open up the Scene Stage feature in the app, which right now it only works with the Curtain 2s. You're going to select that Curtain 2 as your master device, and then add all the other devices that you want to include in the setup. You can actually move them around and space them out to get it more matched to what your actual setup looks like. You can choose from a variety of preloaded scenes designed to sync perfectly across multiple light types. So the best part of the Scene Stage feature is how it creates a unified display. Without it, each light would be operating independently unless started from a DreamView. With Scene Stage, your entire setup feels like one cohesive show. And all you really need to do is set up the effect on your master device and everything else will follow. So with the Scene Stage, DreamView, and AI Lightning Bot, the Govee Home app offers everything you need to create a near professional grade light show. So quickly, let's take a final look at the full display and wrap things up. And there we have it. With Govee Smart Lights and the powerful tools in the Govee Home app, creating a stunning light show has never been easier. All these features let you customize your display to fit your style and make your holidays unforgettable. A huge thank you goes out to Govee for sending over all these amazing products and for sponsoring today's video. Be sure to check the pinned comment for any sales or special deals that they're running this holiday season. And if you're ready to start your own light show, check out the links in the description to learn more about each of these Govee products. And if you have any questions about how I set something up or whether it'll work for your home, please let me know down in the comments. I'd love to help. Don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more smart home tips and reviews. Now, if you're interested in my other Govee videos, check the playlist right over here. And if you want to find out how to control your Govee lights from Home Assistant, check out the video right over here. Thanks for watching and happy holidays.